Welcome to InspireHUB Technologies, where we are thrilled to meet you and guide you through the iHub app, a revolution in progressive web app technology that brings together your tribe and their tools into a mobile app without being tied down by the constraints or budgets of native app development. Today, we're going to show how you can have your own white-labeled, easy-to-use app that will help you reach and engage your user bases unlike never before for a fraction of the price of traditional native app development. You already know that building an app, especially a native app, does not mean you will have engagement. Even downloading a native app is a challenge. First, you have to convince your tribe that downloading your app is worth their time. Then you have to herd your prospective user to a third-party app store where they have to search for your app, not to mention where they'll get exposed to your competitors' apps alongside yours during the process. Next, your user must then make the decision to click the download button. And finally, they have to be okay with the amount of memory space and data your app will use on their smartphone, displacing the things they actually want to fill their phones with. With progressive web apps, you have faster load speeds, offline accessibility, mobile payments, and most importantly, you deliver a mobile web experience with a familiar native app look and feel, which includes real-time push notifications. Users can easily navigate to your progressive web app by saving it to their home screens. All of this directly from your browser, meaning your user can interact with your iHub app through their smartphone, tablet, or computer. And it works online thanks to something called a service worker, which is constantly working in the background so your iHub app is accessible even in airplane mode. Are you developing in iOS? Progressive web apps are shown to improve your user experience on iOS. Let's take a closer look at our unlimited channels. Our channels are public and private. Anyone can join a public channel, and private channels are only seen by those who have been added by an administrator. In your public channels, anyone can visit, but they will need to register if they want to respond, like, or join a channel. Your unlimited channels feeds your menu system that belongs to the user. Content for news, polls, stories, and events is being fed based on the channels the user has joined. It may look simple, but the builder is a rocket ship of enterprise-grade technology behind the scenes. We wanted our clients to spend their time on engagement and not learning a new tool. That's why our builder was designed for the non-technical person and is based around behavior. Let's take a quick look. If you want to communicate anything on your app, like news or stories, click on Communicate. If you want to view your reports and payments, you select View. And if you want to manage anything on your app, such as channels, users, or comments received, you select Manage. In the interest of time, we are going to show you how to create an event. Believe it or not, events are our most complicated feature in the whole builder. Let's take a tour here, because once you know how to create an event, you'll know how to create any new piece of content on your iHub app. Click on Communicate and click on the Events button. Hit the green Add New button at the top right of the screen. Enter the title of your event. Any valid address will work. And once you hit Show Location on Map, it will generate a map of that location. You can also choose to hide map if you hold events in other locations, like a conference room or office building that doesn't appear on Google Maps. You can then include the event start date and end date, and as an optional step, include publish date for the post so that you can schedule that work ahead of time. If you're working with a distributed team or clients, you can include a time zone. You have the ability to restrict who can attend events by subscribing the event to one or multiple channels, as well as to allow or disable comments. Your tracking code can be inserted here. Next are the type of tickets you want to provide. You can choose to disable tickets by clicking the red button on the left. If you are selling tickets to this event or are simply interested in tracking how many of your users will arrive to your event, you can implement free ticket or pay tickets. Name your ticket type, include a maximum quantity, and for pay tickets, you'll also be able to set a price. You can also set exceptions and other details to your tickets as well. Once that's completed, you can add an image or video to your event's posting. To save your event, hit the green Save button at the top right of the screen. The post will not go live to your users until it is published, so if you have to upload a draft first and publish it later, That's okay too. Now you can build news items, stories, and messaging to your users like a pro. Let's take a look at a few more things in the Builder's dashboard. On the homepage of the dashboard, you can view today's new registered users, today's visitors, and today's donations. The dashboard in the Builder is fully responsive and will work perfectly on your smartphone. Collapse tabs for easier navigation, and use the top left-hand side drop-down menu to navigate and add new content while on the road. From the menu drop-down, you can upload content. Here, your admins, editors, and other registered users with Builder access can go check messages, upload news or story items, check on social media, and upload images to the album. Our Social Hub feature allows you to pull your social feeds into your iHub app. This gives your varied content across various social media channels a centralized spot for your users to see and engage with, even if they don't use a specific social media platform. Your users will have access to your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram accounts at a glance. Not only can your users upload content through the iHub app, they can also give donations, register to attend events, get involved in specific outreach programs and events, and take polls and surveys. Even our integrations are easy to set up. Integrate your Salesforce accounts as well as get paid through iHub Pay powered by Stripe. Engage your users in using the latest in progressive web app technology. The iHub app allows you to have 1,000 apps in one. For full pricing information and details, visit InspireHUB.com/pricing.